recognizing the United States of America as an important and valued partner, recalling the spirit of the Constitution of Pakistan 1973 and affirming commitment to upholding the universal norms of democracy and fundamental human rights enshrined in it, reiterating Pakistan's efforts to safeguard and uphold the aforementioned principles in letter and spirit, in line with the aspirations of our people and the vision of our founding fathers. Reaffirming Pakistan's commitment to building a strong and stable democratic society, the House deeply regrets that the subject resolution clearly reflects an incomplete and wrong understanding of the political and electoral process of Pakistan. The House further regrets that the resolution does not acknowledge the free and enthusiastic exercise of the right to vote by millions of Pakistanis in the general elections held on 8 February 2024. An independent and sovereign country like Pakistan will not accept any interference in its internal affairs, and the subject resolution is an attempt to undermine the state. The resolution draws attention of the US Congress to more important issues such as the ongoing acts of genocide in Gaza, gross human rights violation in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, and state-sanctioned atrocities against minorities, especially the Muslims in India. The House calls upon the US and the world community to take immediate steps to alleviate the sufferings of the innocent people of Gaza and Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The House encourages and affirms its commitment to strong and cooperative bilateral relations with the United States based on mutual respect and sovereign equality, and expresses the hope that in future the US Congress will play a more constructive role in strengthening Pakistan-US bilateral relations by focusing on avenues of collaboration for mutual benefit of both our people and countries. The House calls upon the government of Pakistan to strengthen bilateral cooperation with the United States by enhancing channels of communications to allay such misperceptions and work towards a harmonious relationship for the progress and prosperity of the people of both countries. Janab Deputy Speaker, I know this is not a binding paper, but हमारे मुल्क के अंदरूनी मामलात में जिस तरह की मुदाखलत है वो गैर मुनासिब है, और ये किसी सूरत भी आलमी ताकतों को ज़ेब नहीं देती कि भी वो किसी भी मुल्क के अंदरूनी मामलात में दखल अंदाजी करें.
Now I put the resolution to the House. The question is, the resolution as moved be adopted. All those in favor may say aye. All those against may say no. I think the ayes have it, and consequently the resolution is adopted. Shaista Parvez Sahiba. Bole.